Here is a Hyundai Sonata. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Now there's the key right there. First thing we have to do is get the physical key out. Press the button there, get the physical key out. Now position the key exactly where I'm showing. That's important. And then twist it hard. That's going to pry the key fob open. Just like that. Now let's just follow along the edge there, put the key back in, and then twist it again, and then one more time, and that's it. That should pry the key fob open. There you go. Now this side with the green chip on it, we have to get that side out. We have to get that chip out. So try to just wiggle it, or then just try to pry it out, and then it should just come right out like that. Yeah, it'll come out. Just give it a few seconds. Be patient with it. Right underneath that green chip is the battery. To get the battery out, get the physical key again and position it the way I'm showing, and then pry the battery out. Just keep one finger on the battery to prevent it from just flying off. Once you get the battery out, let's take a closer look at it. The battery size is on right on it, CR2032. Again, CR2032. The side with the plus side, that's the positive side, and the empty side with no markings on it, that's the negative side. Now when you put the new battery back in, you have to make sure that the positive side is facing downwards, just the way I'm showing. Yep, position it, press it down and secure it in place. Get that green chip, get that side on, position it, and that's good. Get the other half of the key fob, align it correctly, and then just press it together to secure the clips. And that is looking good. Now let's just put the physical key back in and make sure it goes in all the way and that it clicks. You may have to try it a couple times, and that's it. See, now it's good. Now it's clicked on, and that is pretty much it.